In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom background not working. If your virtual background won't show up, looks choppy, or keeps asking for a green screen, follow along and we'll get it working reliably. Start by launching Zoom on your device and confirming you're signed in to the correct account. Background availability is tied to your profile, so being logged in matters. Next, join a meeting or start a new one, even if it's just a quick test. Having a live preview open lets you see changes as you make them and saves time. Now, open Zoom settings from the left-hand navigation menu. At the top, choose the Meeting tab. Scroll down to the In Meeting Advanced section. Here you'll find Virtual Background. Toggle this switch to On. This enables the feature at the account level so it appears inside your meetings. If you don't spot it right away, keep scrolling. It's grouped with other advanced video options. If the switch is grayed out, it may be locked by your organization, and you'll need an admin to allow it before you can use it. After turning it on, sign out of your Zoom desktop app and sign back in. This refresh forces the app to pull the updated setting from your account. It's a small but important step that often fixes cases where the option doesn't appear immediately in the meeting controls. If your background is still glitchy, cuts off your face, or Zoom keeps prompting you for a green screen, adjust the in-app controls. Go to your app's settings. Select Background and Effects. On some versions, you may see Video and Effects. If you do not have a physical green screen behind you, make sure the box labeled I have a green screen is unchecked. Leaving that unchecked tells Zoom to use software segmentation to separate you from your real background. While you're there, watch the camera preview. Good. Even lighting on your face and a simple, contrasting real background makes the software's edge detection more accurate. Avoid strong backlighting, keep your camera clean, and try not to wear colors that closely match the wall behind you. If the preview looks clean, return to your meeting and choose the background image or blur you prefer. That's it. You launched Zoom and signed in, opened or joined a meeting to test, enabled virtual background in Settings under the Meeting tab, refreshed the app by signing out and back in, and fine-tuned the in-app background and effects controls by disabling the green screen option if you don't actually have one. Your Zoom background should now display consistently and look much better.